Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have doTERRA Cinnamon Bark Essential Oil. Tell me my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first some things you need to know. This comes in a 5 milliliter bottle, which is about 85 drops of essential oil, guys, so that's going to last quite a while. Now guys, cinnamon is one of my favorite essential oils, and this one is especially, once you use doTERRA Cinnamon Essential Oil, you're just going to love it so much, and you're not going to want to go back to any other essential oil besides doTERRA's version of it, because it's just so good. It has a very spicy, woody, sweet, yet warm scent to it, and it just fills the whole room with just kind of like, it reminds you of the holidays kind of a thing, and I just really love that about this. It helps promote and maintain a healthy immune system, as well as supporting a healthy metabolism. And like I said before, guys, it just has a very sweet, warm, comforting aroma, and this is one of those things where you can use it in so many different ways. You can use this in a diffuser, you can make candles with it, you can use it in decorations, you can use it topically. There's just so many different ways to use it. I just love that about this. My favorite thing about this has to be the fact that it's from doTERRA, and how much work and research doTERRA does into each of their products to make sure that what it says on the bottle is actually in the bottle, because a lot of our companies don't do that, and that just gives me the confidence to use this. And I just love how it smells. I love what it does, and I just highly recommend this product, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.